Hello, and welcome to QueBIT's how-to video on maintaining shared formulas for Workday Adaptive Planning, formerly known as Adaptive Insights. This latest feature of being able to export and import shared formulas became available in Adaptive's 2020 R1 release. To begin, we'll show you how to export formulas. We'll come to the menu and then go to our Formulas section. If we come to the printer icon, you'll see that there's two options. We can either export formulas of the selected account, being the inventory account, or we can export formulas of all of the accounts. The export of all of the accounts looks something similar to this, where we have all of the account codes, the levels, and the formulas that are associated with those accounts. If we had chosen to only export the inventory account, we see that the only account codes that are displayed are the inventory account, the levels, and the associated formulas that go with it. Next, let's take a look at importing the formulas. In order to import, we click the icon right next to the printer. You'll notice that the only option is to reload the entire structure. Reloading the entire structure is the only option, so make sure that you're careful not to accidentally erase any of the existing formulas that you desire to keep. Any accounts that are imported with nothing populated in the formulas column will overwrite any pre-existing formulas. If you wish to retain any user edits, be sure to include preserve in the user edits column of the upload file for the desired account and level intersection. It is also a good idea to create a full printable view and save it as a backup before you begin to make any changes. If we download the template, we notice that the import template is very similar to our export that we've just taken. Once we filled in our import formula, our import template, we'll come back into Adaptive, choose the file, and then upload. After we've uploaded, we can then see that our formulas are still present. Thank you for watching QueBIT's how-to video. If you would like more information, please visit QueBIT.com.